Most traders get wrecked, and the reason is because they are not following the most simple rule of trading, which is buy low and sell high. Now, clearly right here, we have this zone of support that's been holding as support now since Thursday. And right now, we can see traders are shorting this key support like crazy. It's very, very interesting. We have pretty much no volume, and then all of a sudden, when we come down to the key zone of support, we have 1.4 million shorts opening up right here. And as you can see, they're already underwater. They're already getting wrecked. Why is this? It's because when you are shorting support, bigger players in the market know that retail traders are FOMOing short, and so they can build a big long position right there. Case in point, guys, look at what happened to all those traders who FOMOed short at support in the middle of the range. Totally wrecked. Make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to click the bell, because I am giving out the juiciest tidbits here. As we can see, those short trades are absolutely wrecked right here. We're getting this blue candle to the upside. And by the way, guys, if you do want to learn how to use a chart like this one, you can check out the course at learn.jasoncaspertrading.com, the advanced trading course, footprint charts, market profile, and TPO, 20% discount in the description of the video. Never short into support. What we want to do when it comes to trading Bitcoin is we want to buy low and sell high, okay? This is the range that we have been trading now since Saturday, January 23rd. It's currently the 27th of January. And these are all the trades that I have taken and that the community has taken in this range of consolidation where we have literally just been selling high, buying low, selling high again, and then buying low again, where we were looking earlier for the bounce from the support at like 22,640, which is the current long that I am in right now from down here at 22,600-ish. Now, by the way, all these trade setups were given in advance over in the VIP Discord. If you want to join the community, you can go to patreon.com/JasonCasper to join the community. Also, if you do want to learn how to trade this way, you can check out the 20% discount on the course at JasonCasperTrading.com. And if you want a great exchange to trade on, you can check out the promotion we have on ByBit, up to $30,000 in rewards if you deposit some insane amount of money. Probably not even worth it, but what is worth it is the 0% limit fees that ByBit is offering for Jason Casper right now. So, very, very interesting. We can see right here on EXO charts that all these shorts that opened up right here are already underwater. And if you want to be successful at trading these markets, you need to mark out key zones of support and resistance and wait until price comes to one of those key zones to take a trade. If price is coming down even to a local level of support like right here, definitely not a good time to be looking for a short trade. However, if price makes its way up to a local level of resistance, such as the golden pocket right up here, that's actually a good time to be looking for a short, because we always want to be thinking of trades in terms of risk to reward ratios. If we know historically that the price is ranging between the high and the low, then we know that there's a high probability, if we happen to get into a trade setup from the high of the range, like from up here. And by the way, I actually am in a short from that high, because it is one of the trade setups that we gave over in the VIP Discord when we were looking to come above that key level and get a rejection. But if we are always looking to take shorts from the high of the range down to the low of the range, we know that we have a good chance of price moving very much so in our direction. What this does is it allows us to get a trade where we have 4 times more potential reward than risk. What I mean by that is this, guys. If we are looking to buy low and sell high, if we are taking any trade in the center of the range, literally just in the middle of nowhere, then we have an equal amount of upward potential as we do downward potential, which basically means every loss we take will be equal to every win we take. But what we want to do is we want to buy low and sell high, so that the potential reward that we make on each trade is actually much greater than the potential loss. We can see if we're just buying the low of the range and basically putting our stop loss under the lows, we know that the downward potential is very little compared to the upward potential. And the opposite is actually true if we are looking to take a short from the high of the range, where we know that the downward potential is actually much more than the upward potential. And in this way, we were able to ensure that our wins are always bigger than our losses. So you could see this trade setup that we took here had 3 times more potential reward than risk. So I could lose 3 trades in a row, and on that 4th trade, I could break even because I'm making 3.76 more potential reward than risk. Okay, this is what is going to keep people from getting sliced up, who are just chasing price randomly, taking trades in the middle of nowhere. As soon as they enter short, we can see that price is going against them, right? We never want to do that. We always want to be thinking, what is the upward potential? What is the downward potential? We want to be thinking in terms of buying low and selling high. That is how we're going to get the most out of these markets, especially once we start to range sideways like this in these little ranges. And even in these ranges, guys, they can be gold mines because, again, all of these pivots were trades that we did take because simply buying low and selling high. And once we get the big breakout of this range or break down from this range, another technique that I like to use is basically take longs from the low and take partial profits in case of a massive breakout. And then, of course, again, take shorts from the high, take a partial profit, and lock that profit in, but then hold a portion of the position in case of a massive breakdown. And actually, this is one of the strategies that I do use to be profitable over time and prevent FOMO, prevent chasing price, is by locking in a profit, guaranteed winning trade, and then let the rest of it ride, especially if we're in, let's say, a consolidation range like this, understanding that a big move is going to be coming soon. And then eventually, one of those moves is going to play out, and that trade will be very, very massive. Similarly to the trade I took from $16,300 when I gave this setup, I did not know that we were going to go from 16.3 all the way to $22,000, $23,000. But because I locked in a profit one and then let it ride, I was actually able to make a lot more profit on this trade. So just wanted to come in and make a quick little tidbit for you guys in this way. Make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to click the bell for notifications. May God bless everybody watching and listening to this video. In the name of Jesus the Messiah, I do pray everybody is very blessed, even if you are not religious. That's totally fine with me, and I will see everybody in the next video. Peace, y'all.